Hello and welcome. Today we are discussing the new DevOps transformation at Mario Technologies, as we evaluate transitioning our Node.js services to a multi-cloud infrastructure, utilizing Docker for containerization, Kubernetes for orchestration, and AWS Lambda for serverless deployments. Establishing a solid DevOps pipeline from the ground up is essential to our success. Our initial assessment has highlighted several significant operational bottlenecks. Currently, we lack a centralized version control system, meaning developers are writing code independently on completely separate branches, leading to limited collaboration. Additionally, our testing and deployments across development, staging and production are entirely manual, which introduces significant risks and delays during software releases. Proposed CI/CD solutions. To solve these issues, our dedicated DevOps team proposes implementing a continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD pipeline. The foundational step is adopting a source code management system, like GitHub or GitLab, which acts as a centralized repository to track every single code change and prevent conflicting edits. From there, we will automate our unit testing and use Docker to build and push container images automatically. Selecting Jenkins for automation. After evaluating various platforms, we selected Jenkins as our CI/CD tool. Jenkins is a powerful, open-source automation server that transforms software delivery by automatically building, testing, and deploying applications whenever code changes are detected. We chose it because of its robust customizability, massive plugin ecosystem, and the fact that it is incredibly cost-effective with no licensing fees. Core Jenkins concepts. Our automation will rely on a few foundational Jenkins components. We will construct pipelines, defined as code in a Jenkins file, to logically group workflows into clear stages, such as build, test, and deploy. These specific tasks, called jobs, can be distributed across multiple worker nodes to ensure fast performance and scalability, leveraging Jenkins plugins to connect seamlessly with our cloud architecture. The automated workflow and conclusion. The ultimate goal of this pipeline is to create an efficient, automated loop. Whenever a developer pushes a code update, Jenkins will compile the project, run automated integration tests, and automatically deploy successful builds to our Kubernetes clusters, or AWS environments. Automating our build and deployment processes will save us time, significantly reduce human error, and accelerate our overall delivery speed. Thank you, and we look forward to building this robust pipeline.